bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn ògidì ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country home. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country home. Oyo State is my state, you. Iyesiota is my base, you. Good day, Fias. How you meet me again? Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, Táńtọ́lọ́run, Bàbá Olóyin gan. Bàbá Olóyin original. I am staying at Iyesiota. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Iyesiota. I am not Bàbá Olóyin Ìjẹ̀bú because somebody has loaded another person has loaded my photos, pictures on the Facebook and YouTube. He's claiming to be Bàbá Olóyin Ìjẹ̀bú. Please don't fall to that boy. Don't fall as a victim to that boy. It's a scammer. And I want to use this video to tell you, my subscribers, my fans on YouTube, I'm not the one running Facebook, running Motherless Home. Somebody used my profile, telling people that Bàbá Olóyin original. He used my picture that I'm running Motherless Home NGO. I'm not the one. Please keep your money. Do tangible things with your money. It's a scammer, and God will soon punish them. Ọlọ́run àtijọ́ ló ń kọ́kọ́ tó mú yàn tí sí helicopter ló ń wọ̀. It is the God of olden days that stay long to catch people. God of nowadays is now using helicopter, using jet to catch people. It is police that used to keep handcuff on these criminals. If God keeps somebody in the house for 3 months, he may not be able to come down from bed. Yes, it is only human being that can say, I will keep this somebody there. If God is ready to punish somebody, he can remain on bed for 20 years without coming out. Yes. So don't fall to that boy. But Trustful Ebola, I don't know him. I watch his page. He's getting fans every day. Maybe it is scammer of his type that are joining him. I don't know. But don't fall to him. I am Bàbá Olóyin original Iyesiota. I am the one you see anytime you want to pray. Send your message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is at the bottom of this video. And at the same time, I'm the owner of Kenny Show Television. The WhatsApp number you see there belongs to me. You can send your message on that one. The reason why I don't always like to mention my phone number on Kenny Show is that it will be too much for me to handle phone call for 24 hours. It's not easy. Even those who patronize me at my Iyesiota, they should pity me to start. If I put on the phone like this in their presence, because they will be sick, calling. Some people will be calling, I'm watching your video now, and I'm interested. From America. So another person will come from Canada, I'm watching your video now, and I'm interested. I've never watched before. And you should tell them, watch very well, so that you know that we can send the books to you online. We can send the books to you on your email or WhatsApp or Gmail. Just notify us immediately you pay, then we send the book to you on your WhatsApp or email without delay. Call us. My telephone number is 08054749455. Listen again. It's at the bottom of this video. Some people, they don't watch the comment at the bottom of our video, so they'll be asking for phone number again. So it's 08054749455. Yes, I just released another book, African Power. In this book, some people say, we are advertising, we don't talk again. I will tell you how you can use rainwater. The first rain in the year, what it can do for you. The first rain, rain used to fall more than 50 times, 100 times in the year. But the first rain, I will tell you the secret, how you can use it to remove any bad luck from your body. Yes, I will tell you today. Some people will ask, where can I get this rainwater? Some people that are selling materials, spiritual materials. They used to sell it. There is a certain garment church where they are selling material. They used to sell it. If you want to buy omi okun, omi osa, lagoon water or ocean water, these people used to sell. So if you ask them, the first rain in the year, they get the water, it may be expensive. Me, I don't get it. I don't get it. Because when I get it, I used to use it for myself. So don't call me for it. But those people, they get it. They know the importance. So they used to put a very big tank outside, so that any first rain, they will get it for you. I will tell you today. Don't forget it. This is African Power, my latest book. Some people, they are asking for penis enlargement. They want their penis to long. It is in this book. It's tested and confirmed. I gave it to one boy in my area at ESC. So he later came to me with his friend. That Baba, the thing you gave us that day, is it to make our penis too long? I said, He said it happened that he was bathing with his wife, that sometimes they used to bath together. That the wife called his attention to it, that, Ogbeni, don't you watch that this is longer than before. So he looked at it that it's a little bit longer than before. So when he came to me with his friend, because I gave the two together at the same time, so about 2 years ago, so he came to me. The other boy was laughing. That Baba said, when you are rubbing this thing, if you are doing it outside, this thing will be coming outside. But if you just rub it, only rub it, it make your prick to be big. It will make your penis to big. Yes. A man came to my house. He has prepared everything. He bought my book. He prepared it. Then he came to my house to show it for me. He said, but when he was rubbing it like this, he was feeling pain in his back. I said, you will feel pain because something is coming out by force. By force. You want it to belong. He had to give you small pain. Then we were laughing together. He said, you see the difference now. Yes. About breast enlargement. Some people are using it. If you get a small breast, the clothes you wear will not give you fittings. Yes. Funfun ni iye yín, kógúnrégé ni iye ọrùn, ọmú ṣìkìṣìkì, sóun ni iye obìnrin. A very big breast had beauty to a lady. That is the meaning of that song by King Sunny Ade. Funfun ni iye yín, kógúnrégé ni iye ọrùn, ọmú ṣìkìṣìkì, sóun ni iye obìnrin. Boys of nowadays, if you don't get this thing, they will not call you. They like to play with this thing. Yes. So breast enlargement is here. Those of you that has bought it, call me if it don't work for you, because I know this thing will work for you. The book that will come after this one, I have been writing on it, and I will not release until 5 years. So if I release book, it is 5 years I release my books, and I'm sure of what I'm putting inside. I'm very sure, not that I will just publish anything. No. The last book was in 2015. That is Under as a Medicine. I read that one in 2015. The other one was released in 2010. And the other one 2005. Then the first 50 Ways of Visioning was published in the year 2000. So those of you that are using it for breast enlargement, if it's not going up as you expect, call me. I will tell you what happened. I told you about orange peas. Inú gbó lọsàn mọ́ ń wà, ọmọ aráyé ló máa ń lànà fún. Orange tree normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that labor themselves to find the orange. Your luck will shine, your luck will find you. Whatever you are trying, people will locate you. It is in this book, African Power. I told you about àgbàdo, corn. It is only one seed the farmer will plant. When it grows up, it will get multiple leaves and multiple seeds. Ìwòlàgbàdo will be. Tó bá jáde tán lójú onígbà sọ. Yes, it is in this book. How you can use corn to get blessing in your shop, to get blessing in your place of work. It is in this book. I told you about cobwebs. Cobwebs. If you are observing it, nothing will go well for you. cobwebs. Wherever you go, you always observe it. It can cause blindness for you if you don't know. Wherever you go, people will not appreciate you. They will not show you favor. If you are observing cobwebs, it is in this book. Small thing that doesn't cost you more than 100 naira, it is in this book. Those of you that are living abroad, you can send your family to send it for you. Let them powder it for you and send it to you. It will work for you. I told you about excess. No matter how tight it is, a local fowl that is on brooding will reach its destination. That is a incubating center. No matter how tight it is, road never blocked for a brooding fowl not to reach its brooding center. Yes, it is in this book. If your own is bad luck, you have been trying, nothing work for you. You have been to herbalists, you call them 419. You have been to prophets, you have been to all these herbalists, you've been to prophets, you've been to pastors. What is worrying you? Small thing. If you are observing cobwebs, if you don't stop that cobwebs, it will not be well for you. Sorry. Some people say I should show them these leaves. This is really cool. Whenever you want to pluck these leaves, you have to laugh at it. You tap it like this. Really cool. Laugh at me. Yes. When you use it accordingly, many people will laugh at you. They will cherish you. Yes. Wherever you go, people will like you and admire you. I told you, when we were in the primary school, in the olden days, if we fail to do our assignment, we will just pluck small thing like this, small leaves. We will rub it. As we rub it, small water will be on our face. See. Yes. You rub it like this. Yes. Rub. There will be water. See water now. You rub our face like this. We use it for forgiveness of sins. It will rain and cold. Laughing leaves. As you are touching it, you are laughing at it, it will laugh for you. It will laugh at you. You rub your face with it. Anywhere you go, you receive favor. A driver that uses it, when we had one or two things to eat, nobody will disturb him on the road. And those people that used to disturb, wetin you carry, if they use it, they will not put themselves into trouble by asking for money without they will not be asking money by force. You will see some people at the bus stop, they will just knock your motor like this. The bus, the driver has understood that thing. He will say, conductor, give me 100 naira 20. He will give. That type of thing you carry, you get money to the house without stress. You won't go sorrow. I won't talk more than that. Yes, the driver that use it, you will go freely. Some agbero that you use to disturb people, when you enter motor, you will see sometimes they will tell the agbero, that house at the bus stop, I'm just coming out. I'll see you later. He will go. Before you come back, that agbero will not be on the road again. Yes, the driver will see money. But when you reach Alakoko, you pay, Toge, you pay, Kola, you pay, Amera, you pay, Abulegba, you are going to pay, you pay at pleasure. How are you going to see money to the house? You bump, no sorrow. So where you put your God, will meet your God there. Yes. If a driver use it, you won't freely. Once your papers are correct and you don't carry exhibit goods, yes, nothing will do you. You will be going freely. There are some people, when they carry motor on the road, last man will disturb them, trace will disturb them, VIO will catch them, fire, this road safety will disturb them, town will disturb them, so they will be sweating like this, nothing. When they couldn't get money to meet the dealer that gave them, the owner of the vehicle that gave them the motor, they will borrow money at the bus stop so as to see money to settle the owner in the house, yes, in his house. Because if you tell the owner that police arrested me this morning, last man disturbed me, VIO disturbed me, the owner will get the motor from you. He will tell you that witches and wizards are worrying you. He will not have to deal with you. He will not like to give motor to you again. Yes. So, but when we have 1 or 2 things to eat, yes, when you see somebody who know this thing, they will tell you better. You buy if you go sorrow. The thing I want to teach you today, I told you about earlier at the beginning of this program. Everybody know rainwater. You see this rainwater. The first rain in the year. Rain can fall at Lagos, it will not fall at Shango. Rain can fall at Kaduna, it may not fall. But the first rain that fall in your own area is your own first rain. You will not say because rain has fallen in fell in Lagos. The one that fell in your area for the first day, your first rain in your area is the one that concern you. They may tell you that rain fall the next week, it doesn't concern you. The one that fall in your area, get it. When you get it in a bucket, take your bath with it. Just read the prayers. You don't add anything to it. The first rain of the year normally wash dust away from leaves. Almighty God, I beg thee, wash away all my sorrows and calamities. Wash away all my sorrows and calamities, all these my sufferings. The first rain of the year, whenever it falls, it used to wash dust from the leaves. The first rain of the year normally wash away dust from the leaves in the bush. Ọlọ́run òjò àkọ́kọ́rọ̀ nínú ọdún wọ́n máa ń gbẹ eruku dànù lára ewé kò gbẹ́ni. Ọlọ́run ò mo bẹ̀ ọ́ gbọ́ òṣì àti ìṣẹ̀dánù lára mi. Èmi Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, ẹ máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ dárúkọ ara yín. It is the first rain of the year that wash away all this dust on the leaves and plants in the bush. Wash away sorrows and calamities in my life. I don't want to witness dull moment. I don't want to observe dull market. God, help me. After the prayer, after the prayers, go and bath with the water. By the special grace of God, things will change for you for better. It is in this book, African Power. Africa is my father home. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country home. Iyesiota is my base. So don't forget, I'm not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. I am not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. If you watch my other sister station that I posted, you will see it there. How you can prevent witches and wizards from monitoring you. Some people, they thought that because they have left Ibadan, they have left Abeokuta, they are in Paris, they are in Japan, they have run away from the witches and wizards. No, they are watching you every day. They are watching you with glasses. They are watching your progress. If you want to stop them from monitoring you, go and watch my sister's station, Kenny Show. It's a simple thing you can do. Just simple thing. It doesn't cost you money. It costs you nothing. Just the secret. Just the secret. How to prevent witches and wizards and all other people. How to stop them from monitoring your movement. How to stop them from monitoring your progress. Go and watch my sister's station, Kenny Show. Kenny Show. You will see it there. How to stop. You will see the caption. Stop witches and wizards from monitoring you. You can stop witches and wizards for monitoring you. Yes, you will see it there. Kenny Show Television. Go and watch it. So don't forget, my phone number is 08054749455. At the bottom of this video, you will see it. And if you watch Kenny Show Television, you will see the number, another number there, 08108431336 at Kenny Show. I'm the owner of that one, but I cannot be answering calls on that one together with this one. That is why I used to put another number there. I'm the same person for Kenny Show Television and Baba Oloyin Original Television. Before I go, I'm still telling you people again, you are my fans, you are my lovers. Please, I'm not running motherless home. It's a scammer. The person that put it under the comment section yesterday is a scammer. Please don't patronize him. Don't give him money. He have no motherless home. He's not running NGO. That is the way the man used to do. He used to put the picture of popular pastors on Facebook begging for money. He's a scammer. Yes. Ẹyẹ tó gorí àgbọn ni kò lè rómi ń bẹ̀. He best that fly to coconut tree. Just waste our time. Because if you never see the water of coconut to drink, it's a mistake for those people, scammer that come to my channel. It's a mistake. Petrus Yusuf Ebolala, it's just a mistake for you to come to this channel. You should have gone to elsewhere. Yes. Be careful. Please, I am Baba Oloyin Original Yesota. I am not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. Somebody is claiming to Baba Oloyin Original. He loaded my pictures. He opened account on my name. I'm not the one. Don't fall victims. Only 3 people that complain. I told them I will not send book. And they said they will deal with him. But maybe the boy has been arrested by police or so, I don't know. But I know he will not be a good position again. Yes. Torí tí wọ́n bá lé omi tí ò bá padà lẹ́yìn omi. Omi ò rẹ̀yìn iná kan ìní. Yes. So, till next time when you meet me again, before I go, I will always thank people who are giving me extra money. I will not do without you. You are the one keeping me in this business. Yes. Some people will give, if I tell them the book is 5,000, they normally give me 10,000. Some people even give me money without asking for anything. Some people will send money. If I tell which book do you want to, I say, no, I'm just sending you this money for the humanitarian services you are doing for people. About this book, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ nílé ayé, those of you that control the world, I beg you. Bí a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́, a máa ń dáríjì ewé ni o. Whenever we hit the pap, we will throw away the leaves. We never see anybody that eat the pap with the leaves. Tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́, a dáríjì ewé original lórí kẹfẹsẹ̀ mi jẹ mi. Those people you are worrying, they will not get money to buy the books. That is our agreement. They will not buy the books. Yes. Àwọn táyé bá ń ṣe olè rówó ràwé. Even when they get the money, they will not buy the book. They will ignore it. What is he saying? You just want to chop. Let us leave it to that place. You cannot deal with everybody. Yes. Witches and wizards. Please be patient. Ẹni tó bá ní kọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀ma jọba kò ní dọ̀rẹ́ ọba. If you ask your friend not to become a king, you will not be a friend of the king. If you just say that your friend will never be a governor, hey, you will not be a friend of the governor. All these people that are suffering in other countries, if they make it in life, they will call your children to come and join them. But when you decide to wicked them, they are walking like elephants and they are eating like ants. They will not get thanked for their family. No, they will not. As they don't have money for their family, they won't be able to carry your children to abroad. But when you allow them to succeed in life, their successfulness can affect you, can make you them for whom that, what of my junior brother Sunday? Let him come to London, let him come to America. But when we decide to kill all these people or to wicked them, we will remain poor in Africa. It's not good. It's not good. I'm just begging for them. But this is for a rare coming. Yes, everybody will laugh at you if you see a person who know how to do it very well. Yes, you can't wicked everybody. No. So till next time when you meet me again, I'm Baba Oloye original Iyesota and not Baba Oloye Ijebu. I'm Baba Oloye original Sese Adewusi Tantolon. Always watch my video. Help me share. Share to friends and relatives. Help me share to friends and relatives. Yes, God will bless you. Till next time when you meet me on this program again, remain blessed.
Baba Oloye Sese Adewusi Tantolon. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sese Adewusi ní kí ẹ gbà.